I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assessing both dartboard and stand so repairs are targeted. Remove the board from the stand and lay it flat. You want clear access to the mounting bracket. Once done, verify bracket alignment and test fit the bolts in the hanger holes. Make sure the stand legs sit squarely on the floor and that quick-release pins engage smoothly. If any hardware is missing or stripped, swap it now with match-size bolts and lock washers so the next steps are effective. Now you reinforce the connection between board and stand, because stability depends on a rigid mounting. Once aligned, drill pilot holes to prevent splitting and drive screws or bolts evenly. Alternate opposite screws to distribute tension. If the board's mounting area is soft or cracked, add a thin plywood backing plate behind the bracket to spread load and stop screws from pulling out. Make sure bolts clear the stand slot and that fasteners are snug but not over-torqued. This prevents finish by mounting the board to the stand and fine-tuning position so the face is vertical and centered. You want the bull height at 5'8" from floor unless you agreed on a different regulation. Use a level and shim legs if needed. Tighten every bolt and use thread locker or nylock nuts to reduce future loosening. If the stand still wobbles, check for bent legs or uneven flooring. Once resolved, consider a simple floor anchor or anti-slip pads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.